Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Xiaomi Home app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Xiaomi Home is a smart home management app designed to control and monitor Xiaomi's ecosystem of IoT devices. From smart bulbs and robot vacuums to air purifiers and security cameras, the app serves as a centralized hub for seamless control. Users can automate routines, receive device notifications, and monitor their devices in real time from anywhere. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The interface is sleek and generally user-friendly, with smooth device pairing and easy access to core functions. Automation scenes are flexible and support condition-based triggers, which users find especially useful. Notifications are accurate, and integration with voice assistants like Google Assistant and Alexa enhances its convenience. That said, it's not perfect. Some users report connectivity issues, especially with non-Xiaomi routers or when switching Wi-Fi networks. The app can feel slow or buggy after updates, and regional restrictions may limit access to certain features or devices depending on where you live. Multilingual support is decent, but the app's translation isn't always polished. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Xiaomi Home is a powerful app for managing a smart home, especially if you're using multiple Xiaomi or compatible devices. While occasional bugs and regional limitations exist, its broad device support and automation features